Hi friends, I hope you like my videos on Lightroom in which I am sharing useful tips and techniques of photo editing in less than 10 minutes. Friends, today we will discuss about how to remove dust particle by using a spot removal technique. As we all know that there is a dedicated tab for spot removal in the develop mode of Lightroom. So once you hit that key, you have an option of visualizing a spot in the image and remove it by using spot removal tab as shown in my screen. As I am using this technique, many times it is difficult to visualize spots with this tool. So I find an alternative technique of it which I call the LWP technique. I mostly use it during removal of dust particle or any other spots on an image. So let's discuss this technique which is quite simple, powerful and time saving. Now we perform LWP technique in 3 steps. First, we increase the value of DEHAZE with the help of DEHAZE slider present in the basic panel of develop mode as shown on my screen. Once you increase the value of DEHAZE, these spots or dust particle will be easily visible to you. So secondly, we remove these spots with the help of a spot removal tool. So after removing all the spot which is there on the image, we move on to third step, that is normalizing the value of DEHAZE by using DEHAZE slider. Now our image is ready. So that's it from my end for today. You can use this technique in any of your images and improve the overall quality of it. Hope you like this video. Please use this technique and drop your comments for further discussion on it. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with others. Till then, goodbye.